everyone, we're back again, and today we're taking a look at the Elddis Whirlwind range. Now this is the GTV 563. It's a 3-berth. It's also available in a 5-berth with a pop top roof, but just a standard procedure. I'll talk you around the outside and give you a look inside the brand new Whirlwind. So the 563 is the largest out of all the models in the GTV CV range. It measures 6.36 metres, it's 3.5 tonne, and it is packed full of lovely features at a very competitive price. So we are built on a Peugeot as the base vehicle. It is fully automatic. Talking around some features on the outside, we've got the metallic grey paint, which is very lovely. You've got the red decals up the side, exclusive to the Whirlwind edition. You've got the electric welcome step, and you've also got your Peugeot 2-tone alloys. You've got your full demonstrator awning as well. Into the back of the van, you can see we've got heaps of storage here. You can actually lift up your bed, lift those slats out of the way, and that gives you a bit more space for storing things in the back of the vehicle. Now the layout is your longitudinal single beds at the back, so we'll take a better look at that inside. Into the driver's seat then, we have the Zenek infotainment system, which is all fully touchscreen. Now with all the up-to-date technology in here, with the built-in sat navigation, you've got your Android Auto with your Apple CarPlay, you've also got your DAB radio. Now this van does come with a reverse camera as standard, and it's built in to the dash. You've got your cab aircon. You've a lovely finish in your steering wheel there, it's all leather. You've got your cruise control with your speed limiter and your voice recognition for your hands-free. Stepping into the living space, you are greeted by a very light, open, airy environment. You've got your neutral colours on your seats and your white cabinetry. You've also got your ambient lighting throughout. It is a very open plan sitting area with your third and your fourth seat belt. Your table does extend out, and it's pretty versatile because it also makes up into your third berth, so you can travel 4 people and you can sleep 3 people in this van. Into our kitchen area, so it is very usable. You've got plenty of space on your worktop counters. Your fridge is tucked away under here. Making our way down this way, we've got our 2-ring gas burner and our sink situated beside each other. We've got our gas oven, and we've also got cupboards down here and your 2 230-volt sockets. If you're wondering what the heating source is, in our Elddis we work off a Truma Combi 4 heating system, so this runs off electric and gas and powers your water and your heating. Quick look into our wet room then. So it is a combined wet room, and then just up to the right is our sink, and you've got your little storage compartments just above that, and your shower hooks on to there. At the back is our rear single bed layout. So you have your 2 single beds at either side. The bedding is in the packaging, obviously, just with it being a new vehicle, but you can pull these out and make this into a large double bed as well. We've plenty of little USB ports scattered about the van as well, which is a new little touch with the Whirlwind. So you can just clip them on wherever you want in those rails, and you've also got a USB-C charger at the back there. But if you'd like to come down and view the Whirlwind range for yourself, get in touch with one of the sales team. You can give us a call on 028 92 693 999, or you can send me an email at charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.